Randy from Copperfield has split concerns.
He does. He's doing the split.
I had to say split like that. I
I
don't know
like
what that
it.
means.
Me neither, but I'm going to go with it. All right. He has a 1,400 square foot bay house, Tom, on piers near Port Lavaca. All right. Randy writes, I had about half the piers replaced back in 2015, shortly after we bought the house. He says most of the ones replaced have developed this vertical splitting. So that's the split he's worried about right there.
I got it. I see it.
So, Tom, Randy wants to know, is this an issue that I need to get with the contractor about, or is it something I should worry about?
You can't do anything about it. I don't know what year it was. And Charlie, we used to have a sponsor that made those big old posts. Can you remember their name?
Oh, I can't. Building Products Plus, was that it?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
They did such a great job with the pressure-treated lumber.
Mm-hmm.
The pressure-treated lumber went from arsenates to copper-based. When they went to the copper-based, they won't rot, but they weather terrible because of the fact that they'll split, they'll crack, they'll do all kinds of things. The other thing is, and I don't know in this case if it is or not, but Building Products Plus is what it was. They used to make a 0.6 pressure-treated. Mm-hmm. This is probably a 0.4. I don't even know if you can get the 0.6s anymore. So the contractor has nothing to do with the quality of the lumber. It's just the pressure treating process. I don't think you have a structural problem at all, but I do think it's going to be a cosmetic problem that you'll just have to deal with.
I just checked them here on the Google, and they are still around. So just go Google Building Products Plus.
Very good. He was, I don't remember the gentleman's name. He was such a good guy.
William was his first name.
William, yeah.
Yes, he was. He was from Jamaica. That's exactly right. Yeah. If you give me another 10 minutes, my addled mind will bring his last name up too here. But
yeah, okay. No, he was a great guy, and they were great sponsors for a long time. Yeah. They did a great job.
Yeah, and you can find so go Google them if you want to replace it. So Tom, would you recommend replacing that post?
No, the house he just replaced them 2 years ago.
Yeah.
No, 2015 it was. No, don't replace them.
No. Okay. All right. But if you ever want to, you can go there. All right. You got a question, we can help you out. See, we'll help you even if it's not a sponsor. We'll point you in the right direction because that's what we do.
It can be a sponsor. They just don't pay.
No. We call those former sponsors. All right, you got a question, visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out that AskCom form, send it in, and we'll post it just like this on our website, on YouTube, even on our Facebook page.